Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
You ask and I deliver. 69 Camaro RS SS Big Block 427 frame off restored factory air conditioned car. This is what everybody wants these days. These Camaros are hot and this is a great one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study about 100 pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find price tags on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful car. Original Glacier Blue car, California built car. Underneath is really clean. Actually, it was built in California and it was still titled in California as of just a few years ago. So it's lived out there its life. Underneath is really good. They did drop the subframe out. They replaced a lot of the front end components and rebuilt it, and the steering linkages. The floors are nice clean metal. They're painted black. You look up at the motor, it's real fresh. The starter looks fresh. It has a correct 1969 turbo 400 automatic. Looks clean. The U-joints look clean. Has a 12-bolt rear end in the back. The fuel tank's been replaced, and along with that, they replaced the straps and the sending unit and the fuel lines. The brakes have been restored. They're disc up front, drum in the back. Exhaust, real nice sounding exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end of the video, and it has, I think, MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers on there. Sounds real good. So underneath the car is in really nice shape. The body, like I said, is California car. It's clean, it's straight. Original Glacier Blue car. It was born this color. You don't see this color often. I've already heard several comments about people really liking it because of the color. We have a metal cowl hood here. So let's check out the body. This is all in great shape. It fits really square and flush. The paint is beautiful. The metal flake is laid out evenly, and it's smooth, glossy finish. Actually very smooth. It's like a mirror. I see our ceiling like a mirror. The hockey stick stripe is correctly painted, the right dimensions. This fender is mint. Fits square and flush and real nice. It's all real good. The quarter panel's in excellent shape. All this is real nice. Now this has what they call the exterior trim package. That includes rain gutter trim, wheel well moldings, and the chrome fender louvers right here. And they also call this a halo top because it's like has a halo around it. The vinyl top's in excellent shape. It's a little wet. It actually started raining right as we pulled in. All the stainless trim looks new. This rear window looks very clear. So top is excellent. Got a rear spoiler. The reverse lights are down below the bumper. That comes with the Rally Sport package. Otherwise, the reverse lights were built right into the tail light. Got bumper guards, new marker lights, door handles, mirrors, all that's new. The wheels look brand new. They're the SS wheels. They're pristine, and they even bought the Polyglass Good Year reproduction tires. They look great on this car. Windshield's been replaced. So there you have it. Glacier Blue 69, all decked out on the outside. Let's take you inside and show you what that's all about. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. Beautiful. Look at the bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb. It's painted as nice as the car is painted. Weatherstrips replaced. It looks like all nice, clean metal. Nicely spatter painted. Looks real good. Those reproduction tires really give it a look. I really like that. So it's a blue interior car, obviously, and the door jambs are painted and the weather strips are replaced. Door panel's new and it fits nice and straight. New armrests, the cranks and handles look great. Full of accessories. We got this deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. We've got a factory tachometer in the dash. It lights up green, that's how they were. Right below that, we have an AM/FM stereo, a factory stereo. Center console with the gauge pack. You got the horseshoe shifter here. Factory air car, so it has the vents in the dash. And everything looks really great. The dash pads replaced, the heater controls, the bezels, the console, all that's nice. The metal's painted up nicely. Glove box liners replaced. So when you're sitting in the car, you're going to be looking at a real nice dash area. So the carpets have been replaced, little dirty and stained on the driver's side there. Seats have been reupholstered. Headrests look to be in great shape. Has a full set of blue original seat belts in good shape. Seats upholstered, side panels are replaced. All the trim in the back, the rear shelf area is all real good. Headliner is nice and tight, not wrinkled. Dome light works, has the shoulder belts, has the visors, has the mirror. The backs of the seats are real nice, not beat up. So yeah, I like that it's blue. That makes it different. Yeah, a lot of nice features in here. I didn't really talk about the rally sport, the hidden headlights. That's obviously a big deal, very desirable. They were vacuum operated originally. These are converted to electric. So at the end of the video, I'm going to back the car out. You'll see them zip open and shut. I'll demonstrate that. Now, under the hood, this is a nice surprise. It's labeled as a 396. It is an actual 427 motor. It's a 1969 427 motor. The casting date is 69. The casting codes end in a 512. Everyone knows that are serious about these cars knows what the 512 block is. That was used in the Copos. It could also be in the LS6, the 454, ended in 512. So that is one hell of a desirable engine sitting right there. 427 motor, runs strong. You can see it's detailed in here. The engine itself is painted Chevy orange real nicely. It does have a cowl induction air cleaner. Factory air conditioning. You couldn't get that with a 427. Updated to the 134 Freon. Looks like a new heater control valve. You have some GM reproduction hoses. You have the washer bottle hooked up. The battery is secured. Front of the engine looks like a new alternator, the correct fuel filter, new chrome valve covers. Then over here we got power steering, air conditioning, and power brakes. That all looks like it's been replaced. Cadmium plated booster and new brake lines. And it still has the vacuum equipment for the headlights, but they are electric. So yeah, nice motor compartment, detailed up real nice, but the best part of it, you got a 427 sitting there. Tell you what, these 69 Camaros are like a 65-inch TV on Black Friday at Walmart. They just fly off the shelves. This will not be here very long. This is a great example of one. I'm very happy with the overall presentation, condition, the fit, the finish, the feel of this car, and the list of options is very impressive. So don't waste time on this one. Get to volocars.com. That's where you can reach out to the salesman. I gave you my impression. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you discuss it with them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this car delivered to your driveway, and they can help you get financed as well. That's at volocars.com. If you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.